Hey everybody, welcome back to the VMP Performance channel. I'm Justin and I'm here with a 2018 F-150 that has our new Odin supercharger system installed. Odin is available for the F-150s in both the Odin and the Loki configuration. Loki uses the stock airbox, stock throttle body. Odin uses a larger throttle body, and in this case we have a prototype 6-inch cold air installed that we've been working on with AFE. So this cold air is pretty awesome. It has a huge filter on it, this huge 6-inch tube. It connects down to the VMP throttle body. It has this awesome fresh air tube right here. This is actually factory on 15 up F-150s, so we are able to retain this fresh air ram air scoop. There is going to be a lid option available later on for the airbox. We have that designed in CAD. We'll throw up a little CAD imagery on the screen to show you, but that is going to be an option as well. So you can have the best of both worlds, open, free-flowing, or closed with a lid if you do a lot of off-roading and other situations where you might want to keep dirt, mud totally out of here. So just to show you how big this thing is, I'm going to go ahead and take it apart. To fit the size filter we wanted, we actually had to go oval. From there, the filter feeds into this awesome 6-inch opening. We of course have connections for brake booster and the PCV system. These have got to be here. So since 2015, F-150s have not been mass air. They are speed density. So there is no mass air sensor in this tube because there is not one needed. So we don't really have to worry about the size issues that plague mass air cars and very large cold airs. It doesn't matter how big this one is because there's no mass air sensor. You can get a little glimpse of the airbox here. You can see it's massive. It's got this fresh air tube from the front. This is just one of the many awesome parts that we're developing in conjunction with our Odin supercharger system. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time.